Okay, fourth graders, hopefully you watched the video with analogies so you understand that an analogy is a comparison. I'm comparing words and how they're related. So we're going to read the set of words, and they gave you some examples in the video as well. And then we're going to look at the relationship that those two words have. So here's our two words right here, rise and drop. Do they mean the same thing? Are they opposites? How are they related to each other? Well, rise is to go up and drop is to come down. So they're opposites. So then I look at my word that they left me here, and it's above. What would be the opposite of above? All right, did you already say it? Did you say below? So I'm looking at how those first two words relate, and then I'm looking at the word that they gave me, and I'm going to make my new words relate the same way as that first pair. All right, let's do another one together. So I'm looking at that first pair, fall and plunge. If I fall and I plunge down, those are synonyms. Okay, let's put that up here too. We had opposites up here. We had antonyms, didn't we? Okay, so if they're synonyms, then I want to come up with a synonym for nice. There is more than one answer that could go on that line. Okay, so you need to think of a word that means the same as nice. Okay, so you're looking at that first pair and say, are they synonyms or are they antonyms? What is their relationship? Number 3 could be a little bit harder because not everybody might know that word. So number 3 is disheartened or positive. So disheartened means that you are losing confidence. You don't feel very good about it. And then our other word is positive. Okay, so positive, you've heard that word before. That's kind of I feel happy and good about things. Disheartened means I don't feel so good about things, which means they are antonyms. Okay, and maybe up here, if you think you're going to forget, I know the synonym antonym thing is a review, but just in case, synonyms are the same, antonyms are opposites. Okay, so now I need to look at hungry, and I look over here and I see their antonyms, which is opposite. What's the opposite of hungry? Where you write that in there. And sometimes you might pick a word that isn't perfect, but as long as it's the opposite of hungry, okay, it'll be okay. All right, let's look at number 4, escaped and got away. Do those mean the same thing? Absolutely. So those would be synonyms. So then if I look up at my chart, I know that means same. So what word would mean the same as loyal? Loyal is a good word. It actually means that if I was loyal to my teacher, I would always tell the truth. Okay, so what's a word that would mean the same as loyal? Okay, I'm very loyal to my teacher. I'm going to help with this one. In my book, they have faithful. That's kind of a harder word. I'm faithful to my teacher, or I'm loyal to my teacher. Okay, it could be a friend as well. I'm loyal to my friend. I'm faithful to them, and I'm going to tell the truth and make good choices. Okay, so now look at your next pair. Returned. I returned or I went away. You need to write over here on the side what they are, and I'm going to see if you can do these last 4 by yourself. Remember, you might not put the exact same word over here as somebody, but it might mean the same thing. Okay, so that's it for page 111. And then I will meet you on page 112. All right, guys, I'm not going to give too many clues on this because I think you'll do pretty well with it. So I'm writing the basic word that replaces the underlined words in the sentence. Let's do one together. My older sister Pam gets up at the beginning of each day. So remember the words at the beginning of each day, that's the part that's underlined, to run cross country. Which word on your list means the same as at the beginning of each day? What word on your list could fit in there and the sentence would still make sense? Let's look down our list. My older sister Pam gets up, learn, dirty, worn, sore, thirst, burn, record, cure, board, course, worth, early. Early sounds like it might work, right? Let's try that one. My older sister Pam gets up early to run cross country. That looks like a winner, doesn't it? So you're going to keep checking to see which words can replace the underlined word. And you do not need to do the challenge at the bottom. Good luck, guys.